Okay, so I have just finished row 22. Excuse me. You want to chain up 2 and turn. Now for row 23, you want to put 3 double crochets into this first stitch. One double crochet in the next 3 stitches. One, two, and 3. Chain 2, skip the chain 2, and put 1 double crochet in every stitch until the point. And I will meet you at the point. Okay, so I have almost made it to the point. I've finished my double crochets. All right, so in the point, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. Now you're going to put, excuse me, 1 double crochet in every stitch until the chain 2 space. And I'll meet you at the chain 2 space. Okay, I have reached the chain 2 space. Now what you want to do is chain 2, skip the chain 2 space, put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And there's 1, 2, 3. Now you want to put 4 double crochets into the top of the chain 2. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for row 23, you should have a total of 200 double crochets. Now chain up 2 and turn. For row 24, 24 and 25 are going to be the same. Row 24 is 3 double crochets in this first stitch. Oops. Okay, so there's 3. One double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Okay, chain 2, skip 2, and 1 double crochet before the chain 2 space. Three double crochets into the chain 2 space. There's 2 and 3. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 excuse me, in every stitch until the point. And I'll meet you at the point. Okay, so I have made it to the point. Now we're going to put 3 double crochets into the point. There's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into the chain 2 space at the point. Now you're going to put 1 double crochet in every stitch until the chain 2 space. And I'll meet you at the chain 2. Okay, I have made it to the chain 2 space. We are going to put 3 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Okay, so there's 3. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Oops. Okay, we're going to chain 2, skip 2, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2, and 3, and in the chain 2, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so for row 24, you should have 214 double crochets. Now, 25 is the same as this row. Just repeat row 24. At the end of row 25, you should have 228 double crochets. Now, for the remainder of the pattern, you repeat rows 20 through 25 until you reached your desired length. And then ending on a row 22, repeat, where it's the 3 rows of the granny stitches on the very edge of the shawl. So far, this is what the edge will look like when you do these solid double crochet rows. These stitches, the chain spaces, will be staggered. This one and this one will always meet up, the last granny stitch row and the first double crochet row. Those chain spaces will be matched up, and then the next 2 will be staggered from this one. And it will curve. Let me see if I can get this on here and show y'all. It will start to curve upward. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you make this tutorial or this shawl, I would like to see pictures of it. I have an Instagram account. You can tag me there. I have a link in the About page, and also on the banner on my channel, there's links to Facebook and Instagram. I would love, if you made this shawl, I would love to see pictures. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.